Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on a legend, the 1999 Ford F-150. It stalls out. Not exactly what you want when you're trying to get home with a bed full of lumber. Today, we're gonna fix the Triton trimmers without breaking the bank. All right, first stop on our Why Is My Truck Acting Like a Toddler tour is right here. This little silver cylinder is the idle air control. Sport. Over 25 years, this thing gets filled carbon, basically engine suit. Sticky. So when you stop at a light, the straw doesn't open. To fix, two 8mm bolts. You can try to clean it with some throttle body cleaner, but honestly, for a 99, if it's original, just buy it a new one. It's cheaper than a therapy session. Clean. Now, if your IAC is clean and the truck is still hunting for the idle, we have to go treasure hunting in the worst place possible. This rubber dry rots and collapses, creating a massive vacuum leak. When air leaks in, the engine gets confused. The RPMs spike, then drop, then spike. While we're under here, don't be lazy. Pull that intake tube off and look at your throttle body. If it looks like the bottom of a BBQ grill, wipe it out. Listen to that. Smooth as butter. Well, 25-year-old butter, but still. No more hunting, no more stalling, and no more embarrassing myself at the stoplight. So if your old Ford is acting up, don't panic. Start with the basics. Clean the IAC, check your vacuum elbows. If this helped you get your F-150 back on the road, hit that like button, subscribe for more Grease Monkey tips, and let me know in the comments,